Assalamu alaikum, this is Ayab, and today I'm making a video because I wanted to share a reflection, a thought that came to my mind, and I feel like that can help you to actually reflect on yourself as well, to accept yourself the way you are. But before starting that conversation, I want to give you a disclaimer that I'm not a professional vlogger. I'm not going to have a professional conversation in a way that it will give you goosebumps or motivational or stuff like that. I'm just going to share a reflection that I had a few days back after watching a movie from Bollywood named Bala, which revolves around a character who was bald, and that character throughout that movie tried to be someone who he was not actually in a physical appearance. And the character was bald, and throughout that movie he tried to grow hair on his head because according to him the standard of beauty, the standard of being handsome is having a head full of hair. So throughout that movie that character tried really hard, then he had a wig on his head, and towards the end he got married to a model, and then when she found out, she doesn't want to live with a person who's bald. And one dialogue that made me reflect on the whole thing, the whole story, that if that person who's bald is not accepting himself to be like that, how come he expect me to accept him like that? So that one dialogue make me feel a little bad about my own self, because a lot of time in my life I myself was not accepting me the way I am. For example, having comments from my family, from my friends that I have to lose my weight made me feel like I'm not presentable enough. I'm not really beautiful, you can say, or pretty, you can say, the way I am. I tried to lose my weight, and in that race I felt a lot of depression. And these comments, maybe like people just make a quick comment that, oh my god, you put on a lot of weight, can actually make the other person feel so depressed, so demotivated. You don't know what the other person is going through. So before actually commenting on someone else, you have to question yourself, am I accepting myself the way I am? Why we are doing it? Why we are commenting on someone else? Why? Because we are victims of someone else's comment. So just get out of that frustration, we do the same thing for others. And the first step in this process, the reflection I had, is we have to start accepting ourselves. If we are fat, if we are chubby, I'm not saying that's perfect. You have to be healthy. I'm not saying that you have to be unhealthy, eat too much, or don't exercise, or don't do anything. But if you're not losing weight because of any reason, it can be a biological reason, it can be any medical issue, it can be anything. Don't push yourself so hard. Don't be so critical to yourself. Why? Because at the end of the day, it's you who are living that life. Don't try to give control to people around you to give you motivation or demotivation. You have to accept yourself first. That one dialogue make me feel a little bad about my own self, because sometimes I don't accept myself the way I am. I seek approval from people around me. If I did a makeup, I want approval from my husband or from people around me, that how am I looking? Why? Sometimes we have to look in the mirror and we have to appreciate ourselves. Some people don't like us, that's fine. You are not here to please people around you. First, accept yourself. And the second thing I wanted to share is, before commenting to someone else on the basis of their appearance, on the basis of their color, on the basis of their any code of conduct they are doing, but just think about yourself first. Why are you doing it? Why are you doing it? Is it out of frustration or care or something else? So, if you want someone else to look better, to look pretty, you don't have to put your own standards on them. You don't have to compare your own self with them. I just want you to be a little mindful of this fact that every person, every individual is unique in their own way, and you have to accept them. Instead of changing them to the standard that you want to be, you cannot ask someone else to be someone that you want him to be or her to be. For example, I'm not going to complex it a little more. Just like breaking it out into a little smaller chunks. Number one, accept yourself. Number two, accept people how they are. Don't try to change them, because when they try to change themselves, when they try to change their appearance, their existence, their mindset, their way of talking, they lose their originality, and that originality make them unique. So not everyone is a model, not everyone is an athlete. You can be a little easy on yourself, appreciate what you are, how you look like, and accept yourself first. So, however, I just want to end this conversation with the message that whatever you look like, fat, thin, tall, short, dark skinned, light skinned, you are the way you are. Accept it, appreciate it, and just cherish life, because this is a very short span of time. Once this life is over, you have no idea what's there life after there. You have no idea. So live life, live every moment to the fullest, and make sure that you make life of others around you easier, not tough. Your one comment can actually give them depression. You don't know what the other person is going through. So live life, be happy, be positive, spread positivity by sharing good comments. Don't criticize others. And first of all, don't criticize yourself. Be original, accept people in their originality. That's all. Thank you very much.